Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now this recipe was one that was actually requested by someone, and it is a cheesy mac and cheese with jerk shrimp. So if you're interested in learning this recipe, then go ahead and keep watching. Once my water has boiled, I'm going to drop in 1 cup of elbow pasta to cook. While that's cooking, I'm going to move on to making my cheese sauce for the mac and cheese. In a saucepan, I'm going to add some milk, some grated marbled cheese. I'm then going to go in with my hand blender because this helps speed up the process of mixing in that cheese until it melts into the milk to become a cheese sauce. Once that's done, I'm going to add some margarine, pieces of Kraft single cheese, chili powder, seasoning salt, and parsley. I'm going to stir it all in until it's ready. My measurements are in the description box below. Now at this point my elbow pasta is done as well, and I've strained it and then added it back inside my pot here. I'm then going to pour my cheese sauce over top of it. As you can see, it's still a little too liquidy, so I'm going to keep it on a low heat and keep on stirring until some of the liquid has evaporated. I still want it to be saucy because I love all the sauce, but definitely not as saucy as it is here because you can probably go swimming in this if you wanted to. Now, at this point, my macaroni is ready. It's reached the consistency that I want it to be at, and you can also go ahead and add more chili powder or seasoning salt if you wish. I'm going to take this off the heat now and move on to making my jerk shrimp. In a pan, I've heated about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I've seasoned my shrimp with blended up garlic and onion, green seasoning, and jerk seasoning. Once again, my measurements and ingredients are in the description box below. I've washed and cleaned my shrimp, and I've chosen to leave some with the tail on. And to be honest, for me, this is just for aesthetic purposes. Now, once my oil is hot, I'm going to add my shrimp to it and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes overall. You also want to make sure that you're cooking it on both sides until they've reached a nice golden brown color. I cannot tell you enough how delicious this shrimp was. It was so tasty. All I can say is you gotta try it for yourself. Anyhow, I hope that you enjoyed this video and this recipe. If you make it, then be sure to tag me on Instagram at Rebecca's Cookup so I can repost all of your yummy recreations. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos, which I've linked down below. And please continue to support me by subscribing, sharing, hitting the post notification bell, and leaving all your wonderful comments and questions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.